Today, let's learn how to use a Venn diagram to classify information. We will begin with the functions of Venn diagrams, how to apply and how to design them. Finally, as usual, let's check our comprehension. So what functions do Venn diagrams have? A Venn diagram is also known as a set or a logic diagram. It can show possible logical relations between a finite collection of different sets. And then, how can we apply them? Venn diagrams are used to teach set theory. They are also used to illustrate set relationships in many subjects. We can also compare and contrast different information with Venn diagrams. Also, examining relationships can also be done with Venn diagrams. Now, how to draw a Venn diagram? At least we need to draw two overlapping circles. Sometimes a Venn diagram can also consist of more than two circles. Okay, let's check how much we've learned. Let's make a Venn diagram based on the paragraph and a note. Are you ready? Let's read the paragraph first. The first difference between the two libraries is their styles. The Grant Library was built in 1890 and followed a classical style, and marble made it look like a Greek temple. The Barrett Library was built in early 20th century with a craftsman style. It is wooden and blended in the natural environment. We first put the style of each library in the circles on the Venn diagram. Besides style, their purposes also differ. Barrett Library serves as a museum as well. That's why it opens only 7 hours a day. However, the Grant Library opens all day long. Now, we can put purpose as another difference in the Venn diagram. Now that the differences have been recognized, let's see what similarities they share. First, they are both important resources for students. Then, students can do research at both places. Finally, they are both examples of the variety of architectural styles on the BCU campus. Therefore, we put the similarities in the overlapped area to indicate the common features. Okay, let's move on to a longer article. Again, read the passage first, then we'll match the information in the article to the Venn diagram. Look at A first. We need to find a working dog. In the passage, we see both Jacobs and Jessie work, so we put A in the overlapped area of Jacobs and Jessie. Based on the article, Jessie is the only one dog working with children. We put B in Jessie's circle. In the reading, it mentioned that Jacobs and Jessie work for public sectors. Thus, we put C also in the overlapped area of Jacobs and Jessie. Now, we can see these three dogs are all welcomed by humans. So we put D in the overlapped area of these three circles. Finally, only Tiffy was treated like a queen, so we put E in Tiffy's circle. Now, choose the one that's incorrect. Can you find out the answer? Now, let's have a quick review of today's lesson. In many disciplines, Venn diagrams can help illustrate set relationships, compare and contrast information, and examine relationships between aspects. They are not always made of two overlapping circles. It can be more. Good job! That's the end of lesson for today. Thanks for joining us with this lesson. This online course is funded by the Ministry of Education.